welcome. Today is my late night talks with romantic developers and part 127 from at least 152 consecutive day streams. It started as a challenge with my wife that I could manage to stream so much, and as you see, I am successful in that, and it's very important for me because these days I couldn't say that I'm successful in my every starting, so it's very important when you start something, some work, some new tradition, something which you do every day and do it consecutively for 150 days or more. After 150 days you will understand if it's become your tradition, if you like it, if you want to keep it in your life, or maybe you already grew up and maybe you don't need that and you're looking for something else. So of course, if you think that you're very hard for you to start working on them, you're procrastinating, you're lazy, etc., just set yourself a challenge. I know that it sounds easy, but actually it's much more simpler than doing some work every day, like your work or some plans, etc. And I don't say you should start streaming, for example, or something like that. It could be anything. You could start working every day for 150 days. Just not skip every day. Just 10 minutes walk, or maybe you do some exercise, some push-ups, 10 push-ups every day. It sounds simple, maybe for someone it sounds like crazy, complex, I'm not sure, but just start doing something which looks for you reasonable, like healthy decision. And of course, if it would be connected to some creativity, like writing a small poem every day, or notating some thoughts in your notebook, on your diary every day, or something else, it would be even more beautiful, because creativity every day is really cool. It's keeping your mind open, alive, always in creative mode, and much more open to everything new which comes to your life and evolving around you and waiting for you to notice it. So yes, as always, I really wish you to start doing something for 150 days at least, and then you will see if you want to keep it or not. Okay. Probably it would be my today's thought of the day, my reflections of today. Today is a Monday. It's always new beginning. I always think that starting from Monday I will be different. No, it doesn't work like that. But it's always good to start something on Monday, of course, because after Sunday you preparing and starting. It probably will not be very successful, but again, I'm talking about myself and people like me, which are really hard starters. But yeah, for example, that stream I started, if I'm not mistaken, that stream series I started on Friday, and it was so unexpected that I couldn't. I decided to create a channel and start streaming. But once I create a channel, it was a challenge to confirm it, to use some phone, etc. I already used my phone to confirm like other channel or two, and I hit some limit because I did it for my wife, and I don't have any spare chance for my phone. and then it says, okay, now you should wait 24 hours until you will be able to actually live stream. And I said, oh no, and I found my old channel uh, completely on different topic. I hide all the videos, not much actually, few videos, and rename the channel. I put some logo on that, and I put some theme, etc. Put few words about the channel and started streaming the same day on that channel, because I know that if I will wait any longer, it would probably will never happen. So yeah, if you feel you are ready for something, just start doing that, and then please don't stop. Don't select challenge which will be hard to implement. Select something simple. For me, streaming each day wasn't too simple, but it wasn't too hard. You just start computer, switch on computer, set up camera, and go live, and that's it. I didn't put myself any goal to find subscribers, views, etc. And as you see, after 127 days of the streams, there are no viewers. Maybe one additional viewer right now, but yeah, it's really hard to say exactly from YouTube. So yeah, looks like it's only one concurrent viewer. Even my phone showing it's maybe two. Hey, viewer, if you are here, just put a plus in the chat, so I would know that I'm not alone. Yeah. Or maybe some heart or some other icon. Okay, so we covered a lot of things during our previous stream series. I'm always think it would be nice to create a shorter video as a summary of everything we work on, but it's always every day you are so busy that I'm just wondering how it's possible for me to have so many consecutive day streams without any interruptions. I couldn't say it was always easy, but here we are still doing that. So today I'm not on my usual computer, so I don't have the latest setup here in everything, including Visual Studio Code notebook. I don't have it on this computer, so maybe with shorts ideas. And yeah, that computer is too not too powerful to run anything like Adobe Express or Adobe After Effects. It's not that monster, it's very simple. So let's see what we have. I switched to different screen. It's my screen where I'm looking at. It's our YouTube AI helper, but we went slightly different path. We created in our project YouTube AI helper, we created what's next document, and we described what we have, what we want, and where is my screen? Can I move myself? This is really small computer. Okay, and maybe like that. Let's try. I moved myself to the bottom. Let's see once it would be reflected. Okay, so it's our current project. Okay, I've updated so you could see the screen. Some news about World War III. You know, we are really close to World War because people are angry, people are dumb, people don't have kindness in their hearts. I mean, a lot of people. Of course, there are beautiful people, there are people which have to pass a lot of lessons of life to become more beautiful than they are. I mean, everyone is beautiful, but some of them still need to learn a lot and work on their kindness, on their wisdom, and so on. And the bad thing is that our leaders sometimes are really not taking care about that, but taking care about everything else like money. So, and it's what we have right now. And we work on schema for response format. It's not beautiful, but it's working. We updated the prompt for schema response. And basically, what if I'll move it here? Okay, it's working. If I move it here, okay. If I'll say copy, and let's move it here. No, I couldn't move it. Oh, nice. Looks like I could. Okay, start from here. No, I think we need different type of connection. It's like elbow connector. From here to okay, let's remove this, and let's for this said we want that to be connected here. Maybe something like that. Okay, at least working somehow. Oh, updated shorts. Maybe we could minimize font. Nice. So let's just include what we've done, because we do a lot of work to support that. So we updated our tool to support output in JSON format, structured output. So when our LLM model replied us not as a text but as object, as JSON object, and we expect some structure, and it always return us the same structure we expect. So it would be okay, it would be 4.5. Let's use 4.75 updated AI helper to support structure output. Okay, so it's what we want, it's what we have with that thing. Plugin for audio, Adobe Express. So looks like we need more work here. What I mean, we already implemented video cards in XML format. It's working nice, it's working as expected, and we can create project in Adobe Premiere Pro with which is a result of our execution of OpenAI prompt for schema, and we provide that schema response format, and we could get the exact result which we want. So short ideas, it's all working like we expect it to work. But now we need to implement here. Let's copy. Oh, no. copy paste. No, I don't want paste you, I want paste this. Control C, Control V. Okay, we haven't implemented that yet. Let's call it 5.5. we need create a M motion graphic template in Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects for caption highlight. Okay, let's make it smaller font. So we tried to do that, but we understand that we need to learn something new to make that possible. 5.5. And of course we could copy it here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. It would be here and it would be here. Okay, now it looks more or less relevant. So what we could do today, I really don't want to spend a lot of time today on the stream because I still have something to do. I haven't done so multiple things like Duolingo. I'm doing Duolingo lessons and I started a week, not yesterday, but yesterday morning, so I need to start it today and I have only 40 minutes left. Okay, 40 minutes, so for 20 minutes we could look something. Okay, let's look into update YouTube video properties with what we received from the model. Let's see if it's possible. We will use our ChatGPT. Yeah, let's log in. We could use some our account which we created just for those streams, which is Romantic Developer. Okay, and we start. Yeah, it doesn't have any paid option, so we will use just anyone chat, basically GPT 4, or it's limited in number, but should be fine for us because it's limited in number every day. So one day we could use it maybe for 20 requests, another day for another 20 requests, maybe 10 requests, but so on. If we have several accounts, we are fine. We are fine, unless we want to, create some automation, etc., etc. ChatGPT trying to prevent that. So let's not fake them because they could switch it off and it would be pity. What I can help with? Hi, I have several files like title, description, keywords, txt, Can I update the video in YouTube with attributes stored in those files? Of course, video is on my channel. Please describe me the full process step by step. Let's see. Set up Google Cloud. Okay, it understands that I want to do it automatically because I'm afraid that it's a go to YouTube go to YouTube and then open the file, open your title text, copy the title, go to YouTube video and put the title. That's it. No, it's not what we want. We want something like that. It's already writing everything. So let's see step by step. You need to create Google Cloud project and enable YouTube Data API. Go to YouTube Google Console. what we could do. Google Cloud Console, does it enable? No, it doesn't provide link here, but we could say copy. You know, I don't have any channel here. I probably need to, okay, we talked about Adobe Premiere Pro and now it's providing us ads about Adobe Premiere Pro. Create channel. Maybe we could upload some small video. Continue. Or maybe we could invite that account to my main account, you know. Okay, let's try Google Cloud Platform. Let's go here. Console, Cloud, Google.com, okay. I agree. Cool, a lot of things. Let me see if I could invite the channel to my channel. So I'll go to my channel. Yeah, let's see what it asks exactly. Create a new project. Okay. My account. Let's go here, customizations. No, settings. One second, for manage permissions, I need to go to my real account. So it wouldn't take long, sorry. Okay, manage permissions and add user, and I want to romantic developer stream at google.com, and I want to have that owner invite. Done. Okay, Whisper email, GitHub inbox. What we have here? Finish purchase. Really? Security alert. Get started. No. Capital One. Adobe. Special offers. I don't remember I subscribed to all of that. Okay, I subscribe to captions. Okay, what is my romantic developer stream? Let me check. Revoke, invite as invite, bam. Okay. Accept invitation. Oh, nice, romantic developer brand. So now I could go here, refresh, studio, continue, and now I could switch account to romantic developer. Cool. Okay, what we should do with console? Let's investigate. New project, like new project. Okay, let's go to our console. Maybe let's move it slightly closer to ChatGPT's, then we could move it. Actually, we could hide all of those. Okay, new project. Select project, new project. New project number, romantic developer channel updates. Romantic developer channel. Okay, create. Select project. Okay. What else? After create and navigate APIs and services library. API and services library. Search YouTube data API version 3. YouTube YouTube data API version 3. Okay, click enable. I believe it should be enable. Go to API and services credentials and click create credentials. Should I hide that step from you? Let's see. Create credentials. And what data you will be accessing? Probably user data. Yes, let's see. Install Python. Okay. Go credentials, click create credentials. Choose client ID as a type or auth to client ID as a type. Okay, user data. Okay, credentials. Let's go to credentials. Auth client ID. Yes. Auth client ID. It doesn't say to, but probably it's fine. A client ID is used to identify a single app on Google OAuth service. It will run on multiple platforms and she will own client ID. See setup for more information. Okay, to create, you must configure your consent screen. Configure consent screen. Configure. Does it block it? No, it's just waiting. Let's go to new experience. Get started. Application name. Romantic developer channel. Updates. User support. Okay. Next. Only available to users within your organization. Available to any test user with Google account. To at least. Okay. Next. Contact. Maybe it's the same. I agree. Should we read? Let's not read. Let's create. create a host client. I just configured it, no? So that is our project. That is API and services library. Do we have anything like enabled? Enable API services enabled. Analytics YouTube data API. Okay. To use you need credentials. Try to maintenance enabled API library credentials consent screen. Looks like I should. No, we don't need that console. Sorry, cancel. Close. What we have notification. Create Google Auth configuration 1 minute ago. Let's just try to refresh that page. Oh, Auth consent. Okay. Testing. We don't want to test. Go to new experience. It's changing. Okay. Add users authentication limits. 1 day, 5 minutes. Credentials. And we just need to click create credentials. That one. Application type. Probably I need some help. Select desktop app as application type. Desktop app. Download client ID and client secret. Okay. Desktop app. YouTube. Endpoint. Is it good name? Create. Client ID, client secret. Save. Okay. Probably I need to regenerate it after the stream ends. Hopefully I don't have multiple people looking at me, but yeah, I need to add it, so I think it's pretty safe now. Install Python. Install required libraries using the following command in your prompt. Okay, we have our thing opened. Let's close all. Don't save. So let's see what we have. Virtual environment, configuration video, AI helper. Okay, looks good. So we open our local and just execute all of this code. No. Maybe let's create new folder. It would be YouTube update project, YouTube helper, YouTube update project. Okay. Select folder. Welcome. Later. So Python create environment. It's a good thing to do because if you want some new libraries installed, it probably would be the best thing to do. Yeah, we in Windows here, so let's choose something we have in Windows, and it will create that virtual some folder .venv. You saw all the steps, and it will create something like include, lib, and scripts. In scripts it will put Python and pip, something like that. In lib it will create side packages and will put everything we installed for that environment. And we always could use some like requirements.txt to support that, but you see it's now Python pip is pip. hello. Yeah, it's put the git ignore to ignore that folder at all, and it's created in by a virtual environment. So, and now if we open our prompt terminal, but we'll use command prompt, you see once it starts with vnv, it means we are in virtual environment. So when we install everything required, Google auth lib, and Google API Python client, it will collect and install everything in that environment. Here it would be lib side packages, and you see it start installing all that thing here. Google, some other libraries which are required to install all of those libraries, so it will create good amount of libraries. But what is good, that it will be affected only when we're working in that folder, in that virtual environment. So Visual Studio Code take care about it. I learned all of this not far away. I mean, recently. So let's go here, and so what we want to do, is it possible to move that? Okay, it's possible. So I want to go here to YouTube update project and move that file which we downloaded with our client secret and everything. If we'll go here, it would be, so we have client ID, and if we use redirect URLs, client secret, client ID, and everything we need. Okay, let's close. What's next? It would be that screen. Create a Python script. Basic example of Python script. Import all of those. I like the idea when we create some notebook IPYNB, and let's see if we could do that like that. Python environment from VN, allow, and we trying to make a screen slightly smaller. Not. Control minus. Okay, looks good. Now it looks better. Once again, requires a kernel. Okay, let's install. The good thing, it will install a kernel, IP kernel as well in our virtual environment folder, and after that we will be able to execute notebooks. Notebooks are a simple way to execute Python programs. You could execute it like, it's like debug session, but you could execute it part by part, do some experiments, and when you are ready, you could move code from your notebook cells into the Python file and start testing the program. But if you want to test some concepts, I like notebooks quite a lot. Okay, so we're still installing IP kernel. What would be the next step? The next step would be those. And that would be our name. Copy relative path. token JSON. So name, we update video, and in update video YouTube authenticate YouTube, and it would be authentication YouTube. If pass exists token file, get it. If not, creates expired refresh request from client secret scope creates run port open token file write return build YouTube credentials creds. Looks good. We just need now execute that credentials like we do here. Let's try. Okay, it's open our program. Okay, oh come on, yes, it's me, and we selecting that romantic romantic developer channel updates has not completed the Google verification process. Seeing an error message when try to auth. Looks like we just need to add our email address somewhere. Go to console, navigate allows consent screen in test user section, add your email address. So API, let's go credentials, project, allows consent screen, publishing status it's testing, add users, and we just add romantic developer stream at gmail.com, and if I'm not mistaken, romantic developer without dot. Save. Okay, let's try once again. Let's return here. Sorry. Can we stop that? Okay, we could restart all the kernel. Let's execute run all. It would execute very fast. For some reason, okay, we see we are ready. Romantic developer stream. Restart. Let's remove that file. Let's try to authenticate to our channel. I mean, not to romantic developer channel, but to that channel. Okay, continue. Okay, let's switch to the account. Maybe let's look at some content here. It's my private, and is there any way to see, is it ID? Okay, let's see. YouTube, let's start, and YouTube, videos, bound mass resources, print maybe. What we can do very quickly, YouTube dot close member videos, YouTube test search playlist, subscriptions, YouTube bound message resource, nested resource, create resource method, method resource, YouTube. Yeah, we don't know. I don't know the API. So okay, let's return to our let's return to our method here. So we are authenticated, and it would be update video. Let's copy that, and let's switch here, update video, video ID, title equals test1. Let's remove all of those. YouTube videos update part snippet body video ID response execute video updates snippet title. Okay, let's create that method, and let's call update video display. Oh, let's switch here, and let's test if it will update. Name update display is not defined. Update video. Once again, response request execute, requesting returns the snippet category property specifies is invalid category ID, use details. Okay, at least it's return something. We just need to provide some category because it's empty or what, and we could be able to update this. It's nice. So I think we could continue tomorrow with that, but looks like it would be not so complex to write some program which could update for us all the videos with some keywords, titles, and descriptions. We just need slightly update our program to handle all of this. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. We did some research, we achieved some results. Looks like it's pretty possible. We just need to fix some of the not huge issues around that. We did several things, like we shared access to that account with my stream account, and we created some projects. We could authenticate there, and we could yeah, access some video. It doesn't, it just complaining that we haven't specified some snippet category, but it's like everything else, it's like it looks like it's liking, and it's really cool. So Alt-Z, no, Alt-Z is not working here. Okay, so let's review it later. We did some research. I'm happy with the result. So looks like we will be able to create that program, which will help us to execute and update all my videos. I stopped doing that maybe 50 videos ago, so I could update all the video at once, and it's really cool. Hopefully we could do it in some generic way so others can reuse that things as well, and we update all the code, all the approaches in our readme file in my GitHub YouTube AI Helper project. Okay guys, so that's it. See you tomorrow or whenever you are ready. Please subscribe on the channel, like video, or not subscribe to the channel, don't like video, but please leave me some comment if you wish. And I wish you all the good, all the success, and of course I just saying that, hey, start something and do it every day for 150 days. You will be impressed by yourself, believe me. Okay guys, see you, goodbye. How to end that stream, that thing. Okay.